In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Bissell Little Green ProHeat, model number 2513G. There's a lot of different model numbers for this, so if you buy one, it might be slightly different. We got ours on Target days or whatever their equivalent of Prime days is, I forget. But essentially, but just say we got it on sale for like $30 off. But let's take a quick look. So in this picture, you can see I've unpacked the box that it came in. And let's quickly go over what came in it. So obviously, you got the Bissell Little Green ProHeat, the unit itself, um, with the water tanks and such. Let's start from the top. We'll start from right here. So it came with a little, I would assume it's a trial size, a small bottle of spot and stain remover, some kind of oxy spot and stain remover. Haven't tried it out yet. I'll do a future video in which I review this on hopefully taking out year-old soda stains on a carpet. Let's see. Got the instruction manual. Obviously, everything's got that. Mine also came with a nice 40% off coupon. I've covered up the code for, I would assume, looks like more of that spot and stain remover. The unit itself came with assembly instructions on the attached to the handle of it. So I'll do a quick video on that, showing you, I'll show you in a little bit how to assemble everything. And so let's start up here. So you've got a piece that attaches to the back for, it's a hose clip, that's what it's called. You've got a small attachment for, small stain removing attachment. You've got another hose clip that goes in the front. We've got a self-cleaning nozzle. So essentially you clip this on right there over that nozzle and turn it on and it'll clean the hose itself, so that way your hose isn't full of all the crap you've been extracting. You've got a piece that goes in the back as well, and it holds one of these attachments on it, so you can always have one available. You've got a piece that attaches to the back as well. This is the power cord wrap attachment. So you just push it into the back till it clicks, and that piece sticks, and you wrap the power cord around it. That way it's neat and organized and not sitting there flopping about like this guy. And then you've got a 3-in-1 stair tool, which has got an angled piece with little brushes. It's got a piece that's meant to go around like the lip of carpet on the stairs. And then it's got a nice wide piece that can do carpet, which I kind of have covered up here. But let's take a quick look at how to assemble this thing. Here's a close-up of the assembly instructions. It's pretty easy, just in pictures, no need for translations or anything there. You push, essentially all this is pushing pieces in where they fit. Not too complicated. To be honest, I don't know how you'd get them out. It'd be kind of difficult, probably with a screwdriver or something, but anyway, let's jump right into some videos of me doing it. Apologies for the angle of this video, but it is what it is. It's trying to record with one hand and put things together with another hand. A little difficult. But anyway, let's look at it real quick. So that's our first piece there, which is the first hose clip. Clips in right below the bottom, right below that little green sign. It's a little hard to clip in with just one hand, so apologies for that. But as you can see, it clips right in, no problem. And here's our clip of the power cord holder getting clipped in. As you can see, it goes on the left side here in the back, and it clips right in. You just line it up at the holes. Pretty easy to do. Again, difficult to do with one hand. Highly recommend using two. And here we are again with this video. I accidentally cut it short last time, but you just line it up, you push it in till you hear a nice loud click, and that's the little plastic tabs coming out and securing it in place. And here we are. Next step, we're going to be plugging in the piece that holds the end of the hose with like the sprayer button. It's pretty easy. You just, same thing as the other side. You line it up, make sure it fits, and you push it in until you hear a nice loud click. And here's our final piece that has to be assembled before you can wrap the hose around and hook it up here and wrap your power cord up so it can be put away all nice and neat. the last piece for you. This piece holds the nozzle, and you just look for the hole that matches it, and you push it straight in. I had to use two hands here. This one is a little bit tougher to do. As you can see, I set it down and pushed it in. It's a two-hander job there, unless you've got a really good surface the thing is sitting on. But basically, yeah, you just plug it in. Most of the items on this are plug and play. There's no need to worry about it. You just push it in until you hear it click, and it won't go in any further. And that's all you have to do. Uh, which what I did, not pictured here. You wrap the cord around. You choose which nozzle you want to be your extra one sitting there, and then you wrap the hose around and put it up here. And yeah, that's all it takes to assemble this. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Feel free to join our Discord or subreddit, any of that fun stuff. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.